Are you looking for the shortcut to get six-pack abs? You ain't gonna get it for youth ministry. Welcome back to this episode of the Ministry Alphabet. I'm sorry I haven't made any videos lately, just been busy with work and life. Look, that's no excuse really, so I'm gonna start making more content and being more consistent. Shout out to the realist, Sandra Lamalu, for watching the videos, also to my cousin Victor, also to Joseph, Kimanderi and Emily from Encounter Youth from my parish. Thank you for the feedback, and I guess listening to your comments, it's motivated me to get back behind the camera today. We were talking about how food fuels us in our ministry. When we talk about food, it's nice, it's yummy, it's nutritious, but most importantly, it brings people together. Now, if we look at scripture, we can see that Jesus' moments were important when he was eating. You know, he ate with his disciples in the Last Supper. He also ate with Zacchaeus and the tax collectors and the Pharisees. In ancient Hebrew, you know, eating was a very intimate action. You weren't just eating with people, but you know, you're building this relationship with others. And we could say in youth ministry, we've followed this tradition by having food in our sessions. So I could say as a young person, when I first joined the youth group, seeing the KFC and the fish and chips really motivated me to get to the sessions. On a negative point, as a leader, being on the road for months on end, going to retreats and camps, food can really be damaging to your body. I really want to make this video to give you tips on how you can use food to fuel your ministry with your youth group, but also on a personal level as coordinators as well. So when we have food in our sessions, you know, it really just helps the young people to come to a comfortable space. You know, when we're meeting a new person for the first time, you know, they'll come, they'll get their meal, we'll take a seat, we'll ask them about their hobbies, and we'll have this connection with them. To save the big meals for special occasions. So in my current youth group, the previous team, when we looked at the budget, they'll spend like $200 or $300 a fortnight, and that was on meals alone. And I'm like, but we could use this money to send, you know, people on mission trips or on pilgrimages. So I'm sure we could be a bit wise on how we spend our money. What we did starting from last year was we saved the big meals like the KFC and the fish and chips for the first and last sessions of the term. So the sessions in between, we'll just have snack food. And that's the way that you can save your budget, so you can use your money for other resources that you might need. 5+ a day, it's not just some sort of myth at school, but it's really healthy for your body. Now, something exciting that came through the feedback last week for youth group was, you know, the kids are more interested in having fruit and sandwiches rather than having the traditional potato chips. Starting from Friday, we're gonna try this new method and see how it works. Cater for your groups. I say that because we had an event last year and 40 people turned up and we only had 10 pizzas, which meant we didn't have enough. Luckily, we had a saint. He actually bought some more pizzas and everyone was happy because they were fed. Think of your people with special dietary requirements. So, you know, those people who may be vegetarians or vegans or dairy-free, make sure you ask them what foods they like or what foods they can't eat. The tips I have are for youth ministry coordinators. So meal prep's something that I started early this year with my wife, and we managed to lose some weight through that. But it wasn't just for weight loss. I guess it just helped us, you know, when we were tempted, you know, to go to the petrol station after youth group, or you know, go to McDonald's and get that sundae. Obviously, youth ministry is very draining. You're at home, you know, it's just a lot easier. And I think during the week, just having a balanced diet, because you know you're gonna have one night of eating pizza and soft drinks. At least you can be healthy for the rest of the week, and it's better for your body in the long run. And the second tip I have for youth ministry coordinators is to try and avoid that late night snack. And that's all we have for today. Obviously, I love to hear your points on food. I'm sure you got comments or experiences that you'd like to share. So next week, we're going to talk about how games bring us closer to Jesus. All right. So God bless you all. If this video has helped you in any way, please subscribe, because that's the best way you can help me. All right, take it easy, y'all, and share some love and some comments. Thank you.